Every year you say, "This year, my New Year's resolution will be successful." And every year, it dies soon. Most people think resolutions fail because of lack of motivation. That's wrong. They fail because the system behind them is broken. Here's how to fix it. First mistake. People write outcome goals. Lose 10 kilos. Wake up early. Get disciplined. Sounds clear, but your brain can't act on outcomes. So flip it. Don't write what you want. Write who you want to be. Not lose weight. Say, I don't skip workouts. Not read more. Say, I read 1 page every night. Your brain follows identity, not wishes. But even that won't stick if the goal feels heavy. That's the second fix. Make the goal embarrassingly small. 2 push-ups. 30 seconds of meditation. Just opening the book. The goal is not progress. The goal is showing up. Once you start, momentum takes over automatically. Now, the final reason most resolutions die. They live only in your head. Memory and motivation are unreliable. So build a visible system. A habit tracker on your wall. A calendar streak. A checkbox you mark every day. What gets tracked gets repeated. Miss a day, and it feels painful. So consistency becomes the default. That's it. New Year resolutions don't fail because you're lazy. They fail because you were using the wrong structure. Change outcomes to identities. Shrink goals until they're frictionless. And lock them into a system you can see. Do this, and this year won't feel like another restart. It'll feel like momentum that never stopped.